guys, today's video is going to be a Q&A. I told you guys to ask me questions about WhatNot. First off, I do want to say that I am having a WhatNot show tonight. I'm going to try to upload this video today, which is the 26th? No, the 28th. So June 28th at 6 o'clock Eastern time, I'm doing a WhatNot show. I'll have a link down below. I have scheduled a few shows this week, so if you just go to my WhatNot page, you can see all of my shows that are scheduled, but I am having one tonight. It is activewear. I have a lot of Lululemon, I have Gymshark, I have Outdoor Voices, I have Aloe. I have a link down below. So yeah, let's get into some WhatNot questions that you guys have. First thing I want to address, and I just hate that I'm having to still address this because it's just fucking beyond psychotic at this point. It really is. My stalker is still stalking me. I talked about in my previous video how she was in one of my WhatNot shows and I was like, oh, you can't block people. Well, apparently you can now because I was able to block her. I actually sent an email to WhatNot and told them the situation. And they're going to permanently block her IP address from being able to access my live shows, which is great. So yeah, so I was able to block her. It's great. Moving on. First question, does WhatNot accept sellers that don't have a YouTube channel? I don't have a YouTube channel and I've been selling on Poshmark for 7 years and have over 100,000 followers. I also sell high-end designer items, mainly authentic Louis Vuitton. Oh, there's more to your comment, but I didn't screenshot it. I'm sorry, LV girl, I didn't screenshot your entire comment, but to answer your question, yes, you can sell on WhatNot regardless of your social media following. I feel like that is like a myth that some people think, like, oh, I don't have a YouTube channel, or oh, I don't have a lot of Instagram followers, I can't sell on WhatNot, and that is not true. No, you do not need a following to sell on WhatNot. They do have an application process. They ask you in the process, at least when I did it, I don't know if things have changed, but they ask you to show a picture of your inventory because they want to know that, you know, you actually have shit to sell. They don't want just, you know, someone going on there being like, I have this pen for sale. You know, they want like legit sellers on there, but you don't have to have a following. You just have to have inventory to sell. This person asks, you have to have a YouTube channel to bid. So again, no, you don't have to have a following to do anything on WhatNot. You just have to link a credit card to your WhatNot account, I believe, and then you're like a verified buyer. Once you have like a legit credit card on file, then you can bid. But again, you don't need a following. This person asked, how is shipping cost determined? This person says, how does shipping work on WhatNot? Is it a flat rate or by weight? When you create a listing on there, you put in the weight and then the cost is determined, you know, by obviously the weight and the location of the buyer. One thing I don't like about WhatNot shipping is that okay, so it used to be, you buy one thing, you get a regular shipping rate, and then if you purchase an additional item, it's $1 shipping. Well, there were a lot of resellers that abused that. I can name names if you guys want me to. You know, like buy this light item first, like this t-shirt or this friggin' pen, and then you can buy heavier things and it's only $1 more. So yeah, thanks to some asshole resellers, that was ruined. So now they don't offer $1 shipping on additional items. It is discounted shipping, but what sucks is that you have to pay an additional amount for every item. Like I sold a bundle of 5 things to someone and they had to pay $20 in shipping. And the weight of it was like 4 pounds, I think. So it wasn't like it was even heavy. You know, it was, I don't know. It was crazy. I feel like WhatNot should maybe offer like a refund to people. I feel like after the bundle is done, they should calculate, you know, the weight and the correct shipping. I feel like WhatNot's probably making a shit ton of money on shipping by doing it just this flat rate way, you know? That's the one thing that I don't like. It's kind of like, Next question. Oh, this is from Kim. She said, first off, thank you. I won the Air Force Ones. So in one of my shows, I gave away some sick Air Force Ones and she won them. You're welcome, Kim. Thank you for being in like all of my shows and being awesome. She said, what do you think of all the cliques? Have you noticed that at all? I won't name names, but some shows feel like a clique of popular girls and at times gives me mean girl mentality. I could go into more, but I won't. I know exactly what you're talking about. And yeah, I totally agree. I feel like the cliques from Poshmark have moved over to WhatNot, and yeah, you get those like cliquey groups. I'm not going to name names, but yes, I agree 100%. You know, but what can you do? There's really nothing you can do except just kill them with kindness or just stay the fuck away from them. Last question is, are you going to start focusing more time on on WhatNot and not so much time on Poshmark and Mercari and whatever other platforms you sell on? So yes, I am addicted to WhatNot. I think it's great. When we went sourcing, did we go yesterday? We went yesterday. We went sourcing yesterday and I was specifically looking for things to sell on WhatNot. It's a lot of work. but I really enjoy it. So yeah, at the moment I am focusing more on WhatNot. I'm going to try to do shows multiple times a week and just kind of go from there. I'm still on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, but I'm definitely not putting as much effort into those three. WhatNot is super popular right now and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So that's where the majority of my energy is going. That's it for this video. If you have any other questions on WhatNot, you can feel free to comment down below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. I will have a link to my WhatNot page. It'll be down below. You can check out when all of my live shows are. Again, I'm having one tonight when I'm filming this video, June 28th at 6 o'clock Eastern time. I'm having a few more shows this week. I'm doing them a little bit later at 8:30 Eastern time, just to kind of cater to my West Coast peeps. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.